cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Abia kwenu, oe. Anambra kwenu, oe. Ebonyi kwenu, oe. Enugu kwenu, oe. Imo kwenu, oe. Nigeria kwezuonu. Hello, beautiful friends and families. I welcome you all to my Igbo segment called Let's Learn Everything About the Igbo. Okay, you are with your regular host, Mazi B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives in society, the lives of the Igbo, the lives of the non-Igbo. Today, we're going to talk about colors. All right, colors. Yeah. I hear a lot of people say, even some Igbo natives, or rather, many Igbo natives will say the Igbo language is not complete when they talk about certain words. If you don't know a thing, you just don't conclude that that thing doesn't have English name, or Igbo name. Then you use Igbo English to describe that very thing. That's totally wrong. If you don't know a particular word, what is called in Igbo as an Igbo native, you should ask all those people, the old people, our grandfathers. They should be able to let you know what this color is called, what differentiates this color from the other color. So as an elderly man, a very old man or woman, they should be able to let you know what those words, because when it was their own time, colors were already there. Those colors were there as they are now. So they had names they called each of those colors. Such names are what I'm going to teach you today, so that you will be able to know what the Igbo call this color or that color. But first of all, I want to tell you, or rather teach you, what the word color means in Igbo. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Americans will spell theirs as C-O-L-O-R, but I would rather prefer English with language spelling, which is C-O-L-O-U-R. So color in Igbo is AGBA. Okay, AGBA. Okay, AGBA. In Igbo, they have something called AGBA. AGBA. AGBA is chin, the jaw. So in Igbo, you also call color AGBA. There are two different meanings, just like you have AGBA. AGBA is attitude and also base. So you see, they sound the same way, but they're not. They do not mean the same thing. All right, now we start with black. Okay, black in Igbo is called Oji. Oji. Now, when that black is used as an adjective to qualify a noun or a pronoun, the spelling and the pronunciation change. I want you to understand something. Now, when you want to talk about, you say this is black. Black is Oji. But when we want to say black man, black shoe, black table, black house. Now, you have used the word or the color black to qualify a particular noun or pronoun. Okay, now, you see, as I said a few moments ago, the spelling change. The spelling changes. Now, excuse me, the spelling is now O-G-E-E. O-G, O-G-E-E. O-G. That's when you say Onyoji means a black person. Could be a man or woman, but when it stands Onyoji, the sex hasn't been mentioned here. So that is that's black for you. Then we have what is called white. White in Igbo is called, I hope you understand black. I said black is Oji, O-G-E, Oji. But when it qualifies a pronoun or a noun, when it serves as an adjective that qualifies a noun or a pronoun, the spelling and the pronunciation change. The spelling changes, the pronunciation changes. The spelling now will be O-G-E-E. O-G. Onyoji means a black person, a black man. Onyoji, black table, table oji, okpokoro oji, black shoe, akpụkpọ ụkwụ oji, while oji is just black. Now white is ocha. It does not, that same something that happens with the black does not apply to white. So white is ocha. Then we have what we call blue. Blue is called in Igbo anono anono. Anono anono. Ane-o, ne-o. Ane-o, ne-o. Then it's called anono anono. Then green is called akwụkwọ ndụ, akwụkwọ ndụ. Akwụkwọ means leaf, the one you find in the bush. You know the color. Leaves have green color. So it's used to, they represent, when you hear akwụkwọ ndụ, akwụkwọ ndụ, what that means is green. Blue is anono. Then red is called in Igbo me or ọbara ọbara. Me or ọbara ọbara, either of the two is accepted. Then you hear brown. Brown is called aja aja. Aja aja, if you look at the color of the soil, is brownish. So that's how that one came to being. All right. Then you have yellow. Yellow is edo edo. A-D-O, A-D-O. Edo edo. That's yellow. Then purple or violet is called ududu. 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 Then we have what is called gray. Akeka akeka. Akeka akeka. Or awawo. Akeka akeka. That's gray color. Akeka akeka or awawo. Then when you hear something like ash color, that's when you hear ntonto. Ntonto. You know, ash on its own means nto in Igbo. So when you use the color to describe a particular object or thing, then you say that is ntonto. That's what the color is. Then you will have orange color. Orange color is, some call it, let me know whether I've finished. Okay, okay, all right. Some call it popo popo, popo popo. Some call it popo popo. But we have what you can call it nchara nchara. Nchara nchara, that's the color of the orange. Or you call it uri edo. Uri edo. Uri edo. Uri edo. Know what uri means? Okay, so the color of uri. Uri is the you see, one thing that people use to decorate their feet. You see, the people from the north, the women will use it on their feet. That's what Igbo people call uri. Okay, now the combination of uri and the edo. Edo is yellow. Uri is the color of that very thing I just explained. You know, you see the northern women will apply whatever it takes on their feet. That's on their foot. You see the kind of color. So that's it. The combo of that uri color and the yellow color. That is orange. Okay. Then I've told us about brown. I've told us about blue. I've told us about red. Told us about purple and violet. The same thing. I've told us about gray. I've told us about ash. Okay. I've told us about green, white, and black. So That's just the way it is. Very simple. All you have to do is ensure that you have learn this and store it in your memory bank so that you'll be able to know what they are or what they mean in Igbo. When you hear Igbo people discussing, you know what they are talking about, the color instead of waiting to hear when they will say green, blue, white. No, when they say white, you may understand, because some Igbo people, when they want to talk, they wouldn't want you to understand the word. They might just turn everything using the main Igbo, or if they don't, they'll just use something to describe so that you won't be able to understand. All right, that's all for color for now, guys. All right, catch you some other time. Bye-bye. Love you all.